Hello everyone. In this video, we will make our first Arduino program. We will make this program using library. We have learned how to include a library in your IDE, how to include it in the program, and then how to make the instance and use the commands from library. We have also learned how to find which all commands are included in the library. Using the vehicle motor library, we will make our first program. The program will take the vehicle platform from position A to position B and stop there. Now we will assume that it takes 2 seconds to move from position A to position B. So the first step, to include the library in our program. For that, we will go to Sketch, Include Library, and we will search for our library and we'll click on that. That will include the library in the program. Now we need to make the instance of the program, and we know that the main method of this library is its name itself. So we will use that here, Purifier motor, and then we will give it a name. Let's call it V. And at the end of this, we will have to give a semicolon. So we have made the instance of the library and we have named it as V. And now we will use the library commands to write the program. We know the library command for making the vehicle go forward is forward. And it needs two arguments, speed for the left motor and speed for the right motor. The arguments are separated by a comma. We also know at the end of any line of code we need to give semicolon. But to make this command acceptable by Arduino, we need to tell Arduino that this command comes from this library. And for that we need a linkage between this command and this library. And name of the instance is the linkage. And for that we will precede the command with name of the instance and a dot. So the command becomes v.forward. Reason this command does not belong to Arduino, but this belongs to the library. We have declared the library, we have included the library, we have made an instance here. Arduino now knows that this library and the commands included in that library are part of our program, but we need to link this command with the library using v dot, the instance name dot. Now we need to wait for 2 seconds. And there is a command called delay. And it expects one argument, that is how much delay. And that argument has to be in milliseconds. So if I want a delay of 2 seconds, then I need to give here 2000. 2000 milliseconds means 2 seconds. So I want a delay of 2 seconds. End of line of code is always a semicolon. And last, we need to stop the vehicle. For that, the library command is stop without any arguments. But again, to link this to the library, we need to precede it by v dot. And as always, end of the line of code is semicolon. And that's it. We have completed our first program. We need to save this program and compile it. So let me save this first. Right now the name of this program, if you see here, is sketch_AUG07A. This is a default name created by Arduino IDE. I need to change it. So I'll go and save. File, save, and I'll give it a name. If I give this name vehicle space 1, it is going to take it as vehicle underscore 1. Arduino programs, we don't give any spaces in the name. We'll give vehicle 1. Save. Gives a message here, done saving. So program is saved. Now we will compile the program to check that there are any syntax error. For that, we'll click on this tick mark verify button. It takes few seconds. And now you can see it is done compiling and there are no errors. If there are errors, you will see here a red color and then you will have the error message displayed here. So that's it about how to create an Arduino program using a library. In our next video, we will make one more program to practice making programs using library.